Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can fix infinix sound problem or audio problem fix on infinix GT20 Pro. Before starting this video, please subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.